What's up everybody, it's Dakota here for another video, and today, as you can see by the ship behind me, we are going to be doing a very special video. We are out here in Corpus Christi, Texas, and that is the USS Lexington. I got the awesome opportunity to take you guys to see this is never going to be done again, so I'm really lucky, a awesome car show. It's the car show on the flight deck, so we're going to go onto the ship, see all these super cool cars, super cool planes, and the awesome ship. So, without waiting anymore, I'm going to go ahead and take y'all on there, and I'm super excited. So now this one I gotta say is probably one of my absolute favorite cars here. You all know I like classic C3s, Corvettes especially, and this one, it has a nice ghost flame paint job. It's got the metallic orange in the color. It's got some C5 Corvette wheels and the awesome side exit exhaust, but my favorite part is that it is a standard. And I haven't even seen a C3 in standard in person, so this thing is beautiful. This has got to be the perfect placement for this C2 Corvette, and it is completely, like, it's got the huge radials on it, beautiful blue, and it's right next to this super cool jet. I mean, this thing is just a beast. Complete, just beautiful car. This is a mix of two different times, which I really like. This is an older Celine, a new edge Celine supercharged, and then this is a new Celine supercharged as well, so it's really cool. This one's white and this one's black. Convertible coupe. The one you have a Hellcat red eye, with the wide body in this beautiful, beautiful blue. I like this color contrast. It's the blue with the like saddle brown interior. This thing is, and that red eye right there. Alright guys, so that was a really cool car show. Super glad we got to film it. I got to bring you all along. Thank you so much to my girlfriend for helping me film. So, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please help me out with a like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the video next week.